What is Pandango sa Ilaw Philippine folk dance?
Pandango sa Ilaw.
The Pandango sa Ilaw is a Philippine folk dance that is originated in the province of Mindoro. The name of the dance literally means dancing with candles, and it is indeed performed with the lit candles in hand. The Pandango sa Ilaw gets its name from the Spanish words Pandango and Ilaw. Pandango means to swing and ilaw means light. This refers to the fact that dancers will often hold candles or lanterns while they perform this dance. The dance involves dancers holding shallow drinking glass with candles in each hand as they move gracefully to the music. The lit candles represents fireflies, and the dancers imitate their movements as they fly through the air. The Pandango sa Ilaw is typically danced by a group of women, although men can also join in on the front. The dancers will often wear traditional Filipino clothing like the Barut Saya or the Filipiniana. The dance itself is quite simple, involving basic steps and arm movements set to music. However, what really makes this dance special are the candles, which add an element of gracefulness and beauty to proceedings. This dance is often performed at weddings, fiestas, and other special occasions. It is popular choice for those who want to add a bit of traditional flair to their event. It's relatively easy dance to learn, and it's a lot of fun to perform.